Yeah, don't get too close.
I know. I roll.
He loves you, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. She's taking insurance out lately, honey. Look at that big ant.
I'm gonna fly my drone here in a minute. I hope I get it back.
Well, that'd be nice.
It's awful windy. We'll see. It's a nice view, huh?
Yeah.
Is there another view on the other side?
Well, you can get up on the other side of the castle.
Is there?
There's another little, it's a little higher up too.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check it out. What else is up there?
Your drone's got a camera, right?
Yeah.
There's a waterfall supposed to be down here.
Is
If
that
you go up
right?
there, you can actually hear it.
Is that right?
We didn't
Yeah.
see it, 'cause I'm too far.
That'd be cool. I see some people down there. You see people down there?
Yeah. So you can see them all that bank down there.
Where'd you hear the waterfall at?
It's right over in there somewhere. Up there you can hear it a little better. Well, you might not know it's a motorcycle.
Yeah, those damn motorcycles.
Gotta love them though, right?
Yeah, can't live without them. That's for sure. Yeah, it's kind of windy. I'm gonna try to fly here. I hope I get my drone back. I would love to fly down there and see if I can find that waterfall.
Yeah.
That would be cool, wouldn't it?
I would have to walk down it.
Huh?
I said it would be cool, 'cause I wouldn't have to walk down here. I'd just stay here a few minutes.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my drone down there.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Careful, don't lose it.
I hope not.
Cheap, you know.
No, I've already crashed it once this week. I don't want to crash again. Actually, this would be a good place to take off right here. How you doing, man?
Good.
Having a good weekend?
Yeah.
Where'd you come down from?
I feel like I've met you before. St. Louis.
Yeah. What's your name?
Justin, did you do, there was a ride that I went on for a little girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
What was her name?
Yeah. And she died of cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was in her benefit.
Yeah, that's where I met you.
Yeah, that's where we met.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Justin.
Justin. Yeah. My name's Ron.
Yeah, that's right.
HarleyVlogger. I got a YouTube page I started up. If you want to look it up when you get home or whatever, HarleyVlogger, VLOGGER.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna shoot a little drone footage here. So whereabouts in St. Louis are you at?
Kirkwood?
Kirkwood.
Yeah.
Are you with the Kirkwood group, the riders out there?
Nope.
With the Harley?
No. No, we just ran out here. We got a buddy of mine came out from Indiana.
Uh huh.
We just came out for Bike Fest.
I see. Yeah, great. Yeah, this is my first time. Is this your first
Yeah.
time? It's been a great weekend, hasn't it?
Oh, it's been awesome.
Where'd you all stay at?
Just north of the strip there is like only 7 minutes away.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we didn't know where to book, but it worked out great.
I got lucky and got a room down Osage Beach.
Oh, nice.
And I mean, last minute, a week before, you know, I thought I'm just gonna call a couple places. And I called this place and they had a cancellation. I'm like, yeah, I'll take it, man. So
Yeah, we booked about a month out. Did you ride down here by yourself?
I did. I trailered down actually.
Okay.
I got my bike here, of course, but I got my trailer over at my hotel, and I'm just riding around today.
That's just a place for people.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the Bridal Cave now.
Where's that at?
It's like 3.5 miles from here.
Bridal Cave.
Yeah, Bridal Cave.
So
Camdenton.
Camdenton. Camdenton.
Yep.
Bridal Cave. I might go over there and check that out.
Cool looking, man.
Bridal Cave. Does it cost to get in or what?
I think so. I think it's free, but it's pretty cool looking. You can check it out online.
All right, maybe I'll do that. Cause I gotta go back to Osage Beach anyway to load up after a while.
Yeah, we're not heading out until tomorrow.
Bridal Cave. I used to live out here about 20 years ago for about a year. I lived out here in Osage Beach, but it's all changed so much for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And yeah, did you see those rides? Did you see the video?
Yeah, I did. I watched them all.
Oh, good. Okay,
they were
okay. Good. Thanks, man. Thanks. I enjoy doing them. I'm starting to add a little music to them now and a little commentary. That's what I got this for. People say, yeah, you need to talk. You need to talk to your viewers. I'm like, what the hell do you talk about? I'm out here to ride, show people the scenery.
Yeah.
You know, my intention of my videos is to make people feel like they're on my bike, you know, riding. And that's why I shoot with 3 different cameras and I edit between the shots, because there's so much that you don't see when you're riding behind you.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you don't see when you pass it up or whatever. But when you watch it in the video, when you have a chance to edit it, you know, and see everything that's around you. This is a 360 camera, so I can pick any angle from this camera that I want while I'm riding on my bike, and then I got a 4K camera on the front.
Nice.
So I can switch between the cameras depending on what scenery I want, you know. So I really enjoy doing it. I came down here, I met a couple other guys that are vloggers here in the Ozarks. They ride their bikes and, you know, vlog and stuff, and it was interesting meeting them and, you know, seeing what they do. They got thousands of viewers, so if they can do it, why can't I, right?
Yeah, why not?
It just takes a little time, you know?
You'll get there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get my drone out. I'm gonna fly a little bit here. I hope I get it back. I hope it's not too windy. It's not too bad. I don't see you.
No, I don't think so.
Right on, man.
My name's Ron, man.
Ron, I'm Mark, man.
Mark, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
HarleyVlogger, VLOGGER. Check me out on YouTube, man.
Right on. I'm from Kokomo,
Kokomo.
Indiana.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure where that's at. We're.
I'm dating Justin's mom.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Cool. We ride every chance we get.
That's great. That's great.
Love it. This beautiful down here.
Yeah, it is. I had been looking for a chance to get down here. I came down to the Ozarks, came down to Osage Beach about 2 months ago. Well, it was that last holiday. What was it, Memorial Day?
Memorial Day.
Yeah. And I didn't have reservations, you know. I got a place. I waited until the night before I came down and tried to find a place. And it's like I didn't even realize it would be over, everything would be booked, you know. I had to stay way up north of Highway 70.
Oh my.
And we rode down to Osage Beach and back for 2 days, 2 nights. You know, it's like, man, all of our time was riding back, you know, up and down to our hotel. But it was a nice bed and breakfast, but I don't want to do that again. If I come down here, I want to stay close where I can just ride.
We're 2 minutes from downtown, from right on the strip. So,
Yeah. I got a little place out there in Osage Beach and Parkway.
What's the name of your vlog?
HarleyVlogger, VLOGGER. HarleyVlogger. I think if you search for one word, HarleyVlogger, you find it easier. But yeah, I'm just starting it up. Subscribe if you like it. I shoot with 3 cameras. Like you probably heard me talking to him, but
Well, as soon as I sign up, I'll send you mine. It's POAMC, Pissed Off Americans.
okay,
I'll send it to you.
great, sounds good, man.
All beds, man. We just
Yeah,
everybody sends everybody footage.
right.
Yeah, I'll send
Yeah, I spent 21 years active duty Air Force myself.
He's a chief in the Coast Guard.
Is that right?
Yeah, I was in the Marines. So
Okay.
Right on.
All right, man. Nice to meet you.
You too, brother.
Okay,
Be safe.
you too.